Valdez, probably a foregone conclusion, maybe another MVP. At nakita natin dito Ateneo doing their dance routine before we begin. Let's talk about Amy Ahumiro naman, another player who plays multiple positions, sometimes utility, sometimes quicker. Today, panggitna siya.
Tama yan. Itong si Ahumiro, of course, has gotten quite a few awards na rin
Right.
sa kanyang volleyball career. At maganda nga yung naibigay na break sa kanya dito sa Ateneo ni Kutay. At isa siya sa mga
Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. To all the fans here in the arena and to all the viewers from GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Kaya na gusto kong marinig doon yung ating Jerry Malabanan in the starting lineup. Sometimes we do see the two youngsters, De Leon and ito si Madayag starting, but today the quicker will be Ahumiro. We are underway. Bernadette Pons, unang tiras, nasa gitno ni Ella De Jesus. And Giselle Tan gives it up. One more time around para sa FEU. Pons tries again. And there's a net violation against Ahumiro. First point to the Lady Tamaraws.
Lady Tamaraws celebrating that point. Ang dapat dito, no? Parehong koponan. Dapat the energy should be...
Butler net for as low as 999 pesos. Good serve there coming from Palma. Tan, airborne ngayon itong si Hekiliana. Negrito, Tubino, naabangan ni Ahumiro.
No coverage there for FEU.
And Royce Tubino, of course, another interchangeable part. Dating quicker, now becomes an open spiker, but that time, they're really getting to game shape. Habol si Kayuma. Here's Tan. Ahumiro.
Ang problema ng FEU, hindi yung kanilang opensa. How to keep the ball alive. Kailangan nilang basahin ang balik ng Ateneo.
The block 2-0 starring Amy Ahumiro actually is para sa kupunan ng Ateneo. So take a look at some of the highlights there in the first set. There's Amy Ahumiro with her kalmut shot. And of course,
By Negrito and Tubino both with 2.
here's Stan trying to attack. Oh, nice rest back galing kay Ahumiro. That's where the basketball training pays off.
That's right. At ang maganda doon kasi yung play na yun, sinundan pa rin niya. It was supposed to be a back set, pero ayun, naabot pa rin.
Sa basketball, ang ginawa doon ni Amy Ahumiro. So far, that was against UP. When they won against UP and the straight sets win against Arellano. Samantala ngayon, Valdez out of nowhere. Negrito keeps it up. Tubino. De Jesus is there. Tan, Maraginot. Kasugot gets to it. Negrito. That's a great save there from Tan. Valdez changing direction. Save there by Atienza. Tan. Ahumiro. Relentless.
At saka etong si Tan, really made that play very fast habang hindi pa nakakapag-ayos at nakakapag-organize ng depensa ang FEU.
That's an ultra-fast spike brought to us at PLDT Home Volterra. The ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Serve dito. Pretty good. Tan, Ahumiro. And those quick fast sets coming from Giselle Tan have really made the difference.
At ang ganda ng kanilang timing ni Ahumiro.
Ito.
Haven't really heard much from her. Actually, this game of FEU has mostly been Gonzaga.
And another service error from Ateneo. So 15-9. Hey. Here's Tan. Maraginot. Kept alive. Atienza. Negrito across. De Jesus. Tan. Ahumiro.
And itong si Ahumiro talagang hindi mahuli.
Ang bilis ng mga
Bilis.
sets.
And you'll see also kasi inaabot lang ni Tan yung bola eh.
Right.
Hirap.
Came up short. So, Amy Ahumiro ngayon to serve. Kiwi. Tinatanong kay Coach Tay. Lahat sila tumitingin kay Coach Tay. What serve do you like? That's a good one. So, Ahumiro has been doing almost everything already para sa Ateneo.
Right now, the second set, Ahumiro actually scored 4 points in the second set.
Lipat naman sa kabila. Aray. De Leon is dizzy. De Leon needs an ice pack at the back of her head.
Sanay na yung mga yan. Wala na yan.
Seeing
Oo.
stars eh. Na,
Depends
Yeah.
nandun ka sa net. Tapos yung teammate mo,
bigla lang-
magsaserve sa net.
Oo. Ahomiro again.
Ang sabi ng coach, tumarget ka. Na-target yung ulo mo.
Yun na nga eh. So De Leon will take some smelling salts for now, but Ahomiro continues to do well. Ang ganda ng kombinasyon talaga nila.
Wala, and the
Right.
timing is just really perfect.
Ateneo up by 2. Pons. That is going to touch the line. Ahomiro is investigating the spot where it should have landed. Ahomiro will be warned by the referees.
He's just checking.
Ano to, tennis?
Baka kasi may pawis. Minsan nangyayari yun.
So what we're doing right now, covering this match, Noel Zarate, kasama si Andre Mullacanda at si Cristel Bachelor for all you live audiences there on our live stream. At eto na rin sa GMA News TV. Samantala, another error. From staying undefeated, Ahomiro. And Amy says, where you want to eat tonight?
We can go.